All right, the most requested demo. The amount of requests I have for this demo that people have requested me and they want teaching from me. Since I posted this photo, I think year and a half ago, I posted this photo when I started teaching. People gone crazy. They were like, I need to learn this from Dr. Mac. So let's get into it. Let's dive into it. Complex composite. First of all, yes, it's a stunning photo. It's a beautifully done composite. It catches your eye. It's that good. To be honest, even when I see it most of the time, I'm like, oh, did I do it? it's great, right? I know. However, let's go back to the fundamentals, right? Do we need this good composite to pass? We don't, right? So don't dive into, again, the fancy dentistry. Remember, ADC friendly, functional 6. Don't need fancy dentistry. Yes, it's a beautifully done composite. If you can do it, great. However, we don't need this good to pass. Okay? So let's talk about this. Again, for in the exam, you get normally A3 or A2 teaching purposes, or when doing exams, they don't give you a tooth colored exact. They give you something a bit more darker so they can easily tell what you have done, and it's easy to identify mistakes as well. If I do a A1 composite, it'll be hard to identify my mistakes. That is one of the other reasons when you will be practicing at home, you will be using a darker shade composite like an A3 or A4. You will be able to correct your mistakes a lot better. You'll be able to identify your mistakes a lot better. Okay, so composite. Again, making sure friendly, ADC friendly, functional 6, remembering the fundamentals. Okay, if I see this composite, after knowing all the fundamentals, yes, it has a good contact. It has good thickness of margin and ridge. We don't see any excess or overhang. Right? Tooth restoration junction looks nice and clean. Cusp positioning, cusp height. Yes, it looks fancy, but it fits in that fundamental rule as well. So whenever you do your composite, first thing runs in your mind is, yes, it looks fancy, but does it fit in the functional rule? And one thing I'll tell you, it took me hundreds and hundreds of composite before I could produce this. So if you do say, I want to produce it after doing 10 composites, it's technically nearly impossible, right? It's going to take some time. So don't be disheartened that, oh, my composite is so bad. I saw that on the poster, it was so good. It takes time. People have done hundreds, not hundreds, like I would say people have given 5 to 10 years and years of their life. They have done like 500 composites after they start to get the understanding of how to do it properly. Number 2 is, you don't